These are the 24-inch floating kids bookshelves. You're going to get a set of 4. And this is the small nursery bookshelf wall mount. This is natural wood, and it's a multifunctional floating shelves for bedrooms, bathrooms, or the kitchen. Now for these, I purchased for my granddaughter's bedroom. The length of these is 23.6 inches. They just arrived in, so you will have to assemble them. But from what I can tell, these are really sanded nicely, that the edges and corners and everything seems to be really quality made and done. It's really simple to put together. I'm just going to insert these bars here, and then the back pieces go right here. It comes with all the screws and the anchors needed. This is for my granddaughter's bookshelf in her room, her playroom. So I'm hoping these are going to make a great addition to it. We don't plan on painting them, but we want to put them up in the natural state that they came in. So this one's going to come with the 2 black kind of like farmhouse railings, and this is going to provide an extra shelf, not just for books, but for some of her knickknacks or, figurines or stuffed animals or something on that little shelf right there. But so far it's been really easy to put together. It hasn't taken but maybe 10 minutes tops to put them all together. So you're going to want to do these for each shelf. So you're going to have 3 floating shelves, and then the 4th one you're going to add this little railing to. And again, it comes with all the parts, super easy to do. Everything is sanded, really nice quality. It's in the natural finish. And let's see how these turn out. This is pretty nice. I think she's going to like these. We're going to be able to put her books in here, and it's going to be somewhere that she can reach. So it's going to be nice. We're excited. This is going to look fantastic. I can't wait to post the all finished product.